Welcome, students. I am so happy you're here for this explainer. Today, we've got a really straightforward, easy lesson. We're going to learn two amazing tools to connect your ideas in English. This is going to be especially helpful for your second back exams. Okay, let's dive right in. We're focusing on just two simple tools today. Number one, how to add ideas together, which we call addition. And number two, how to show a contrast between ideas, which we call concession. These are the secrets to making your English sentences look super professional.
Let's start with our very first tool, expressing addition.
So, what exactly is addition? Well, it simply means taking one thought and adding a brand new idea to something we already said. It's kind of like building a house. You just stack one block on top of another to make your writing much stronger. Here are our first three addition words: moreover, furthermore, and in addition. The rule for these three is strict but super easy. They must always be followed by a full, complete sentence. That means you need a subject and a verb right after them. Let's look at an example to see exactly how this works. Women raise families. Moreover, they lead nations. Notice how the word moreover introduces a brand new full sentence. They lead nations. Pretty simple, right? Now, here are three slightly different addition words: in addition to, besides, and as well as. You have to be a little careful here. These ones are not followed by a full sentence. Instead, they're followed by a noun or a verb with an ing at the end. Check out this next example. In addition to working, she raises her children. What comes right after in addition to? The word working. Working isn't a full sentence, is it? Nope, it's simply a verb ending in ing.
Awesome job! You just mastered addition. Now let's move on to our second tool, which is concession.
Concession sounds like a really fancy word, I know, but the idea is actually super friendly. It just means admitting a fact is true, but then showing a surprising contrast to it. It's basically like saying, yes, this is true, but something opposite is also happening. Just like before, we have rules. These two concession words, although and even though, must be followed by a full sentence. And remember, a full sentence means we absolutely need a subject and a verb. Although laws protect women, gaps still exist. The word although connects right to laws protect women, and laws protect women is a complete sentence. On the flip side, we have two different concession words: despite and in spite of. These two words are followed only by a noun or an ing verb. You never, ever put a full sentence directly after them. See how this works here? Despite being tired, she finished her work. Despite connects directly to being tired, which is just a verb with ing. It's definitely not a whole sentence. All right, pay super close attention now, because this is the golden rule. If you memorize this rule, it's going to save you from the absolute biggest mistake on your exams. Remember this forever. Although and even though always get a full sentence, but despite and in spite of only get a noun or an ing verb. You never write a full sentence directly after despite. Let's look at a really common mistake. Writing despite she is poor is completely wrong. Why? Because she is poor is a full sentence. But writing despite being poor is perfectly correct. Being poor is just an ing verb. Make sense? Let's do a super quick recap. You now have the tools for step 1, adding beautiful ideas together using words like moreover or in addition to, and step 2, showing clear, smart contrasts using words like although or despite. Look at how much you've learned today. You now have the exact tools to connect your ideas in English with total confidence. So for your second BAC exams, what's your next brilliant sentence going to be? Keep practicing, you've got this. And thanks for joining me for this explainer.